Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine today. I will take a class with a smart board. It is a very new experience for you. So, let's see. You, where are you? All the students I can see at a glance, and it is a big space. It is a big space, big way. Look, I cannot see Taskira. Now I can see Taskira. Shahriar, Maherin, Tahia, Jafia. Jafia is showing two fingers here together. Let's start our class. Today, you know, the revision class is going on. Okay, so we will start our revision class. Okay, so see, today, what we will start? Fraction. Find the missing number. Find the missing number. How we will find the missing number with a short period of time? Just you will follow the tricks. What will be the tricks? What will be the tricks? First fraction. Here I will write 3 by 7 equal to, what will be there? Actually equal to 3 by 7. I did mistake here. There will be 5. Okay. There will be 5. Okay. 3 become 15 by blank. So with 3, what I will multiply to make it 15?
3.
3. 5. So according to the fraction rules, what I will multiply to give with 7? What I will multiply?
5.
Exactly 5. So 7 5s are? Yes, 35. So our answer will be in blank. Here will be 35. Have you understood? Can you see 35?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now do this one
Yes,
and tell
sir.
me what will be in the blank very first. Who can tell? Hurry up. Who can tell?
Sir, I Sanjida.
Who can tell? Who? Tell me. Sanjida. Okay, Sanjida what doing? Sanjida Jida. She has given the answer. And Taiba, can you tell me what will be the answer? Taiba.
I'm giving you the answer.
Okay, Zafia, tell me. Tell me about 3. So give a big clap for them. The answer become 3. Now, Harish, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So do you understand? There, where? There. Here will be what? Here will be 3. How it become 3? Because 12 and 20. 12 become 5. So here we will divide by 4. That is why upper also 4. It becomes 3. Give a big clap for them. Very good. Next one. Okay. Say next one. Reduce the following fraction into the lowest term. Can you solve it?
Yes.
I will show you
Yes,
one
sir.
for you. That
Yes, sir, I
is,
can solve.
look. It's 8 by 12. Now, one thing very easy tricks we can do it. Here I will write 8 and 12 side by side. 8 and 12 side by side. Now, what should we do? Now, we will check by any prime number can we divide or not. By which prime number we can divide both the two numbers?
2.
Exactly, 2. It will be 4, it will be 6. Now easily I can cut it. I will write 4. In down I will write 6.
Answer is 2 by 3.
Again check it. 4, 4 and 6. By which number we can divide it? By which number?
So again with 2.
Again
Sir, I
with
have done.
2. Exactly 2. It will be 2. It will be 3. Oh, we know this will be
Answer
answer.
is 2.
Upper will be 2, down will be 3. So answer is 2 by 3. Very good. Now do this one.
3 by 5.
Wait, Zafia, let them do others. Let them solve others. Okay?
Sir, I
Okay?
have done.
Very good. Very good. Do this one. And show me your hand who has done. Have you collected this map?
Sir,
Yeah.
I have.
Okay, I have seen. I have seen somebody there showing me the copy. Yes, I have seen. Sanjita is showing copy. Yes, you are right. You are right. Okay, Jafia also showing her copy. Saika, yeah, you are right. You are right. Very good. Very good. Takdira, do it fast. Do it fast. Mohit, don't sleep here. Call a tea for tea. A cup of tea. Huh? Don't sleep here. Taiva, yeah, alright. Very good. Anika, have you understood this math? Anika? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mohit, open your camera. Okay, very good. We have seen that you have made it correction. So what is the answer of this one? What is the answer?
Sir, 3 by 5.
3 by 5. 3 by 5. By what number we have divided? Can you tell? By 8 I can divide both of two numbers. By 8 I can divide both of two numbers. That is why it's easy.
But we can do this without prime number also.
Without prime number also. Okay. So we will go for next one. We'll go for next one. Okay. Say, convert the fraction with common denominator. So this fraction 3 by 5, 3 by 4 and 7 by 10, these fractions are unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. So if it is unlike fraction, what should you do? What should you do? Can you explain? To make it like fraction? Like fraction means both the...
LCD.
Yes, the term is LCD. Least common denominator. Least common denominator. Least common denominator, this one we have to do. The process is we have to do the LCM of the denominators. What are the numbers? What are the numbers?
5, 4 and 10.
Yeah, 5, 4 and 10. What is the LCM? Tell me first. Who can tell me first the LCM?
20 is LCM. 20
Wow,
is
Sandhya told. Saika told me. Yes. Very good. Very good. So we will go for LCM. By which number I can divide both of two numbers? By which number? By 2. Okay. 5, 2 and 5. Okay. Then which number I will divide it? By
5, 1,
5. 5 1 2
by 5.
then
Again
1. So LCM is
Then 20.
20. Yes, I got the LCM 20. I got LCM 20. So we will use your bracket. We will use your bracket. And 3 by 5. Actually 5 should be 20. 5 should be 20. With 20, with 5, what I will multiply to make it 20?
20, 15 by 20, 40 by 20.
Wait. Yeah, yes. We will multiply up and down 4 because we need to make it 20. 20 is the LCM. 20 is the LCM. Now, second one. 3 by 4. 4 I have to make it 20. 20 to make it 20 divided by 4 we can get 5. This 5 I will multiply upper and down.
12, it will be 12 by 20, 15 by 20 and 14 by 20.
Good. Then go for second next one. 10 I need to make it 10 I need to make it
2. So multiply with 2.
exactly. Look, very interesting thing. Very interesting thing. Here
12
by 20.
40 by 20. Then 15
then
by 20.
15 by 20, then
14 by 20.
14 by 20. How many students you have made correction? So shout with me, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, your
Yes,
voice
sir.
voice is
Yes,
low.
sir.
Huh?
Yes,
Your
sir.
voice is low. I cannot take your yes sir properly. Okay, now it's all right. Now it's all right. Can I give you one math for you? Huh? You
Yes, sir.
make it common denominator. Okay? I'm giving you one math. Will I give?
Yes, sir.
These two maths. I think without doing also it is possible to do it. Without writing. By orally also we can do it. It is unlike fraction. So what should we do? Do it. I want to say that
I will convert the fraction.
exactly. Convert. Equal denominator. Equal denominator. What is LCM? What is LCM?
LCM is 36.
LCM is
Yes,
36. Okay, we got LCM 36. Now here will be 36, here will be 36. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
I
Hurry up.
have got the answer.
Very good.
36.
Very good. Taiwan Samrida.
36 by
Saika
36.
also.
36 by 36.
Okay, very good. Very good.
Try finish.
Thank you. Do it fast, Anisha. Sorry, Arish. I'm sorry. Aviva is my daughter's name.
Sir, 8 by 36, 15 by 36.
Very good.
Yes, sir. My answer is.
Very good, Adil sir. So answer is here will be down will be 36.
9 by 4.
To make it 36, 9 I have multiplied what? 4, huh?
2 by 4 and
4.
9 by 4.
And here 12 become actually 12 become what?
12 multiply 3.
12 multiply it become 36. So 5 multiply 3. Eh? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? So what will be here?
6 by 36, 15 by 6.
Exactly. Here will be 8 by 36 and here we will use bracket because in
15
between
by 96.
and 15 by 36. Yes. Yes, loudly. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will go for another maths. 6. Calculate now. Do the calculation. Here you can tell it is a simplify. It's a simplify. So easily we can do it. Can you solve it?
Yes.
Same way, make the equal denominator. Anika, Tagdira, please. Very good. I think you can solve it very quickly. Second line. What I will write second line? We have to do the LCM 4, 5 and 2 by which prime number? For finding LCM you must think. No, by which number we will divide? 2, 5 and 1. So LCM is 20. So all the fraction denominator we will make 20. We will make 20. Okay? Tagdira, Sazil, can you solve it? So
Yes, sir. I have done.
3 by 4.
And then 3 by 4.
Our target to make it 20. So if you do the above, you can do 20 divided by this denominator. What will be here? 5. Here 5. Here 5. Minus 20 divided by 5. What will be here? 4. That 4 I will multiply up and down. So many ways we can calculate it. 20 divided by 2, it becomes 10. That 10 I will multiply up and down. Next line. 15 by 20 minus 12 by 20 plus 10 by 20. 10 by 20. Now it's easy to add it now. It's easy to add it now. What will be? We will, it's a like fraction, so that we will write 20 here, then 15 minus 12 plus 10.
Answer is 30 by 20. 7 by 20.
10. Then what I will write?
Sir, answer is 7 by 20.
Somebody is telling 7 by 20. 7 by 20. Okay? How 7 by 20 it will be? So see.
7 by 20. 13 by 20. 7 by 20.
Look, 20 I will write. It is positive, this one positive. This two number is positive. 15 plus 10. It will be 25. Am I right? So it is this, both of two numbers are positive. This number positive, this number positive. Plus sign this both of two numbers. So this is positive numbers. So positive numbers, if I add, it become 25. I will write 25 minus 10.
13 by 20.
What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Please tell me. What will be the answer? 13 by 20. Yay!
Minus 10. There is a 10.
Oh, yes. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Here is 12.
Plus add করে ওই সংখ্যাটার ইন্টিগ্রেশন মাইনাস করতে হবে স্যার
This way you can add or you can subtract only this part because big number, positive number is bigger. That is why you can subtract only this part. So, okay?
Okay sir, first we will do big number with plus, then
And
we will
look, you can do it from there, from this line. You can
first we will add the positive numbers, then we will subtract.
yes. Look, you can do from there. you can do like this way. Okay, these two numbers, follow me. These two numbers, first one is positive, second one is negative. We can subtract this one first, no problem. If I subtract, it will be 3. Then second one is plus 10, and down we will write 20. This way also answer become same. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? This way also.
Yes, sir.
Both ways are correct. Both ways are correct. As you wish, no problem. The rules we will need to follow. The Badmash, no problem. Okay. Okay, keep it this side. We'll go for next math. Have you seen the creative math? Can you read this creative math?
Yes, sir.
I hope you will correct this math first. Correct it. Okay. Then try to solve it. A farmer planted brinjal in 1/2 parts, cabbage in 1/4 part, and flowers in 1/5 part of his garden. Yeah, you can write. You have to write. You have to write. You have to write. Yes. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Am I right? Hurry up, write it.
Yes, sir.
What you can take a screenshot. Oh, you don't want to see me. Oh, he said. Yes, do it fast. Do it fast. What is proper fraction? I think everyone knows about it. Huh? What is proper fraction?
Yes, sir.
How much part of the garden did he plant? I know you can solve it. Total garden is look. Total garden is
Sir, I write the question.
yeah.